Hey guys, Annie from Wellington House. I'm here to show you how to upload a print-ready file on our DTF Transfers gang sheet option. The first thing you'll need to do is select the size of gang sheet you prefer, enter quantity, and then you have the option to get help from a designer for an additional fee. If not, simply proceed, and you have the option to build your own gang sheet, which means uploading separate files and laying them out yourself, or what we're going to do is upload a print-ready file. Here we can go ahead and customize our job name if you'd like, and then you will click to upload. And I'm going to be uploading a PDF file. If you're concerned about what type of file is accepted, you can just hover here and that'll tell you. So now we'll click continue. And this page is just showing us what we uploaded. You'll also notice a legend here, which is going to tell you your image quality. Up here next to image properties, this is the result of that. So my file happens to be vector artwork. However, if you were using a different type of file that had raster images, you'll definitely want to pay attention to your result to make sure that your image is high enough resolution to get a good print output. So there's a few basic tools here if I need to rotate or align. I don't, and everything is sized appropriately, so I'm going to click continue. So this page is just a summary of what we've already selected, some important reminders about your artwork, and then you'll need to accept and agree to the terms of use and click Save and Add to Cart. Now our shopping cart has our product. We can choose our shipping address here. In our shipping method, I'm going to go ahead and choose UPS ground. You also have rush options. Below is payment method, and then here is a field if you'd like to go ahead and add a purchase order number, and then just click submit your order. Here's our confirmation page. So we're given an order number, and you'll also receive an order confirmation email, and then another email will come through when your order has actually shipped. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're here on our online chat, or you can call or email.